The Forest River Wildwood line of travel trailers is a very comprehensive set designed to give you a ton of options when selecting the right travel trailer for you. In this little vid, I'm going to go over a specific set, the Wildwood X-Lite line, consisting of conventional travel trailers designed to be towed by most half-ton trucks. I'll hit some select floor plans, but first, let's step inside to take a look at what some Wildwood X-Lite features that'll make you camp happy. When you look inside any RV, you want to look for two things: comfort and convenience. Let's talk Wildwood X-Lite comfort first. Since most of us love camping in the summer, you'll need to have the ability to cool off. The Wildwood X-Lites all have a 13,500 BTU AC. Comfort continues with the upgraded designer furniture and those plush, pillowy backs you'll find on the sofa. Very nice. In the bedroom, you'll find an evergreen mattress, and it comes with a fitted sheet. What about those cool spring and fall mornings? Most Wildwood X-Lite models come with an electric fireplace standard. Can comfort include a nice view? Of course it can. Easy to see what's happening in the campground or watch the deer frolic with the Wildwood X-Lite's oversized windows. Let's switch over to convenience and get into the Wildwood X-Lite kitchen. The commanding appliance is the fridge, and you'll get an 11 cubic foot frost-free fridge. The rest of the kitchen is well designed with features such as a seamless countertop, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, and the very handy stainless steel roll-up sink cover for draining and drying. Want some convenience and versatility? Check this out. Any Wildwood X-Lite with a slide out that has the dinette and sofa gets the Versa Lounge. A simple flip and you turn it into either a full-size dinette or expanded sofa. A couple final notes regarding interior features: the convenient skylight over the shower to add natural light and headroom, and the central switch command center. All your controls are here, like one-stop shopping. Did I forget about entertainment? I did. Get king-size entertainment with the King OmniGo HD TV antenna, prepped for King Wi-Fi range extender, King LTE cell booster, and King satellite antennas. Cable antenna hookup is standard as well. Plus, you get tablet-compatible USB ports in the bedroom and bunk areas, and a Bluetooth-compatible stereo with exterior speakers. Speaking of, onto the exterior. First, let's talk about power. You got a power awning to help you set up your outdoor camp quickly, and a power tongue jack certainly makes it easier for hookup and leveling. Power includes the green solar package with roof mount prep for more power via the shining orb in the sky that can extend your battery's life. Remember a couple of minutes ago when I talked about writing notes on the flip-up bunk bottoms? Not to be outdone, the exterior's pass-through storage oversized 30 by 20 entry side baggage door has the dry marker erase board capability, so you can write notes like camp chairs or grandpa's napping space. What else on the exterior? All will have the easy to use, finger pinch free, MORryde step above double step entry. And what seems like a little thing, but I happen to really like, is the new upgraded door pulls. They're more homey. More nice exterior features? Why not? Most Wildwood X-Lites have an exterior camp kitchen. All have the unseen but very nice accessibly enclosed underbelly, which, when enclosed, keeps those varmints out. However, the panels are removable, so you have access to the chassis area when needed. And what we all love and don't want to talk about in detail is the black tank flush. It's a must-have. It really is. Okay, let's talk a little bit about construction. All Wildwood X-Lite models have a cambered chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame. The walls have 2-inch construction with no more than 16 inches on center. A Wildwood X-Lite with a slide out will have that slide constructed with a triple seal as well as a 13-ply cross micro-laminated beam header. On the front, you'll get the aerodynamic front radius profile with smooth aluminum front cap. On top, a one-piece Superflex roof that comes with a 15-year manufacturer defect warranty. Say that 3 times real fast. As for floor plans, off the top, let's throw out the basics of the Wildwood X-Lite line. On average, you'll find they run around 28 feet in length and about 5,000 pounds in unloaded weight. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but that's the average. On to some select floor plans. Of course, the first one I want to cover is smaller, the 171 RBXL, tipping the scales at under 4,000 pounds and measuring out to just under 23 feet. This couple-focused travel trailer has a lot of closet space in the rear bath, plus a nice size neo-angled shower. The front is filled with a Murphy bed that's a sofa in the day and a full-size bed at night. The 171 RBXL can sleep up to 3. Moving on to another camper designed for the camping couple, I got the 24 RL XL. This one can sleep up to 4, maybe 5, as it has a sofa on the back wall and a U-dinette in the slide out. The walk-through bathroom is spacious and provides a barrier between the living area and the roomy bedroom. There are some nice family-focused bunkhouse X-Lites too. The 240 BHXL can sleep up to a cozy 8 with the double-over-double bunks, convertible U-dinette, and queen bed. There's a large entertainment center with a fireplace, and you'll find direct access from the exterior into the bathroom. The very popular 263 BHXL has a very large living area slide out with a Versa Lounge to make a bigger sleeping area for a full-size dinette. The kitchen has a walk-in pantry and there's exterior access into the bathroom. The 263 BHXL can sleep up to 8. The 273 QBXL is 33 feet of bunkhouse fun. It has a private bunk room that can sleep 3, and in total, the 273 QBXL can sleep up to 8. There's a large living area slide out with a panoramic window, entertainment center with fireplace, full-length pantry, and an outdoor kitchen. The Wildwood X-Lite is a terrific line to check into if you're a campground conventionalist who loves the idea of a lightweight, easily towable travel trailer. Whether you're camping with just you and your camping compadre or taking out the fam, I'm sure that you'll find a Wildwood X-Lite to fit your campground needs. Good luck and happy camping.